Hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily just deploy your React app on Netlify, and I'm going to show you how to do it as I do it on my project. So by this time you must know about this project of mine, so I'm just going to show what I have made. Okay, first of all, before you deploy, your app should be working fine. So how to check that is that just run it and see whether it gives error or just works, right? So let's run it. How do you run it? You just type is it visible, or can I zoom it? I mean, no, it's just command browser. It's just okay, yeah. So just type npm start and let's see if the app is working fine or not. So I have checked it and it should work fine. So just make sure your app works fine before you deploy, because that's why you deploy. It should work, right? So this is something I have made. I was really fascinated by how full stack system works, so I just learned and created something that people can use, and it looks good. And yeah, just I'm very bad at CSS, but I just managed to make it responsive and all. I don't know how. So yeah, just by googling. So yeah, just always Google, right? Okay, so we are deviating from the topic. Okay, our app works fine, right? So now we just need to close it, and we don't need it now. And yeah, let's just cancel it by Ctrl+C, and it will just ask you yes or no. Type Y, enter, and yeah, now we are ready to deploy. Now how to deploy easily is that now you can either do it through GitHub, which is also fine and really good, but we'll just do it the real fast way. Okay, so how to do that is that first you must know that when you are working with your React things, after you complete your project, you need to run a command called npm run build. So what this does is that it builds a folder wherein your app is really optimized, it's fast, and it's the final product. So we'll do that, npm run build. Now if you see, until now we don't have a build folder. Now after this command runs, we will have a build folder in here. Okay, and that is what we will be deploying. So it is now creating an optimized production build, and yeah, let's just wait for it to complete. Yeah, now it says us the build folder is ready to be deployed, and yeah, we're just gonna do that. So now if you see in your folder structure, we have the build file. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that and just deploy it within seconds. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, you need to go to netlify.com, right? And yeah, just go there and sign up. I have already signed up, so it is just getting me in. So yeah, so go to their main page. You'll see your names and all. Go to sites. Okay, go to sites and just go down, and you'll see here written want to deploy a new site without connecting to Git. Just drag and drop your output folder, and as we know, our output folder is a build folder. So let's just drag that folder, just the build folder, not anything else. Just put it in here. Okay, now it's uploading, and just a sec. And as you can see, it just deployed like that fast. Okay, I did not forward or anything, it was just deployed that fast. And Netlify is really awesome for deploying your front end things. So yeah, it's just really hassle free. So now if you go to just this site and check it is live on the internet, you can just send this link to anyone in the world, and he will just be able to use what you have made. Wait a second, I just lost it. Yeah. And the best thing about Netlify is that you see this weird domain, you can just change it. Okay, so my project's name is people you admire. So we're just gonna change that. Go to not site settings, go to domain settings, and yeah, add custom domain. So okay, so the best thing is that you can just add, like you can see now we have .netlify.app. So we are using their domain because we are using it for because you're just using their platform, so that's understandable. But what you can do is, if you just want, like, if I want people you admire .com, right? So I have to purchase a domain and just use it here and verify and just use it. Okay, so now that way I can just use Netlify's deploying capabilities and just connect any awesome domain that I buy, right? But also what we can do is, to make it just better, we can just edit the site's name, and we can change this weird looking site's name to something that is that just makes sense, right? And yeah, this is my app's name, and if I just save it and I go to okay, let's now go to the site, people you admire, and if I just enter, to see that okay, we have our project, our app live and deployed, ready to send, ready for people to use. And yeah, that's what I just wanted to show you, how fast it is to deploy your front-end things by Netlify, and it's also really customizable. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe if you learned something, and I'll be just coming up with awesome videos. And have a great day.